Hey there, law seekers, ready to take charge of your future? Let's dive in. Are you worried you've overstayed your US visa? Don't panic just yet. Let's break down what really happens next. If you stay in the US after your visa expires, you could face serious consequences. An overstay of more than 180 days can mean you're barred from re-entering the US for 3 years. Overstay for a year or more? That bar jumps to 10 years. But here's the good news. If you're the spouse, parent, or child of a US citizen, you may qualify for special exceptions. Immediate relatives can sometimes apply to adjust their status, meaning you could still get a green card, even after an overstay. But the process is complicated, and mistakes can cost you big time. Bottom line, don't wait. Talk to a qualified immigration attorney to see if you qualify for these exceptions. Your future in the US could depend on it. The information in this video is for general informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. For advice regarding your specific situation, please consult a qualified immigration attorney. Let's talk about the permanent bar. If you enter the US illegally after being deported or after a year or more of unlawful presence, you could face a permanent bar from re-entering the US. This means you may not be eligible to return for life without special permission. However, in some cases, you may be able to apply for an I-601 waiver. This waiver can help overcome certain bars to re-entry if you can show extreme hardship to a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident family member. It's a complex process, so legal guidance is essential. There's also the I-212 waiver, known as permission to reapply for admission. If you've been removed or deported from the U.S., you may need to file Form 1-212 before you can legally return. This process is separate from other waivers and is required even if you qualify for an I-601 waiver. It's important to consult an immigration attorney to see if you need to apply for both. There's also the HRENCA waiver, which is available in rare cases for people who are otherwise inadmissible to the U.S. This discretionary waiver is used for non-immigrants, like those seeking a visa for a temporary visit, and is granted only if you can show your entry is justified by significant reasons, such as humanitarian need or public interest. It's a complex process, so legal advice is crucial. Contact info@taylorwrightco.com if you need an attorney for immigration.